Welcome to the other scrap guy. Today we're going to work on stripping some wire, give you an idea how we strip wire for those that never seen it done before or wondering about it. I have my wire stripper here. This thing can handle up to, I believe, like 11 different wires. You can go from your MCM here all the way down to your Romex. There's like 2 slots here for Romex. Then you can get your probably your 12 gauge, and then on up here. So came across this jumper cable wire just sitting around. It's so beat up that probably wouldn't be able to put it through here. So we're just gonna take a knife and we'll slice this one up, get this done with, and then I'll show you. I got some aluminum wire here to put it through the machine, and that way you'll get a good look at the process. So we're just gonna slice. Some of this is all broken, so it's basically some of it's sliding. So we're just going to slice through this. Got neighbor's power washer next door. Had a major leak with their house, so they had to get that fixed. Dealing with that mess. And my work area is a bit of a mess today. We just had the house painted, so the painters had the stuff moved away from the house. So haven't had a chance to straighten up. So by the next video, or one of the videos, you'll see it all back to normal. Where are some of my viewers from? I live in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. You guys want to chime in and tell me where you're viewing from? Also, if you like what I'm doing, please hit the subscribe button and like, so I, keep this thing going. And I'll know if you guys like what I'm doing. Now, obviously, when this is done, this will all go in number 2 copper. This will not go to bright and shiny or number 1. Stuff's so brittle, it cuts real easy. For those of you, I don't know if you guys realize this, but copper is way up right now. February 22nd, 2026. And right now I just sold Bright and Shiny for $5.20 a pound. Another tube copper, basically probably real close to $5 a pound, if not $5 a pound already. More. And then I don't know if you guys collect the communication wire, your internet wire. Just sold that, and that was $1.95 a pound. Crazy right now. Copper is right now. This looks like it might be a hair wire. Let's see. That's the same. We're supposed to go into get another cold front coming in. Supposed to get down to the 50s tonight in the morning. This is a pair wire, how fine it is. I don't know if you guys can see that. This year has been a little crazy with our winter. Normally we don't get this much cold days. But this year, I guess they want to let us suffer with the rest of the world. Pull that right off. strands. Every strand counts. These are steel. Even when you see them, they look like they're copper. These are never copper. These are always steel. A lot of people are like, but they're copper. No, they're not. Getting on the copper subject again. Kind of sold my copper, or if I would have hung on to it, but you never know what the price is going to be. But I had 200 pounds of copper. When I sold my copper, sold it for, it was $4.30 a pound. Now, if I would have hung on to it, probably have 70 cents more a pound. That's the tough part about scrapping. You have to hold on to it and then to sell it. I don't know if you can hear the kids in the background, my neighbors. They're outside playing. Something you don't hear too often nowadays. Kids are not outside a lot. When I was a kid, my parents didn't even want us in the house. Now, you never even see anybody outside. What's going to do with this? And get onto the wire stripper. I don't know what everyone's getting for their shred, if you want to put in your shred prices, but right now out here it's about $145 a net ton for shred right now. Not sure about number one steel, because I really don't get enough number one steel to separate. If I did get enough number one, then I definitely would separate it. But pretty much, I won't get enough number one. Stay with me. Here. Snuck one. Almost forgot about this here. These come out of pretty much window units. This copper here with this plastic coating on it. What I normally do with these is part that is clean, I will take and put in my bright and shiny. Pretty much looks and can pass for bright and shiny. Little secret. So from like this point, or this point, around this point, I'll put that in bright and shiny. So, number 2. I will go throw this in my shred pile, but right now my shred pile's in the back of the truck. Taking the shred load tomorrow. Alright. So, we angle the camera down, and then you'll be able to see when you're feeding this through. I want to make sure the adjustment's correct. Alright. So now, just turn the machine on. Find the right. Get me started. The plastic's a little tough on it. I'm going to take a screwdriver. Standard. talking. Let's tighten this down. Okay. One more turn. Much easier. So it jumps right. So just feed these through. Of course, you're supposed to have a hole in the front here, but people use your stuff. You tend to not take care of it. Plus I have a whole huge spool of this aluminum that I can cut up. I'll take a picture of it and edit it into the video so you can see it. Pops it straight out just a little. And it's not having reverse on it. Big old knot won't come through. That won't come through. Not sure what aluminum's going for right now. I don't have much aluminum ready right now. we got the smaller ones, medium, and then these, which you could just slip it over to the right size. And I even have to adjust. Right here. Plastic. It's a pain to deal with these. So I don't strip wire that much. This is aluminum. I mean, this here, sometimes you can get this about $1 a pound, like this. But if it's with the plastic on it, the sleeve, you're basically looking at 15 cents a pound on this. There's a big difference. So sometimes it does make it worth stripping it. Whereas on your copper ones, yeah, I mean, you're insulated. It's probably 4 something a pound. By the time you strip it, though, you're gonna be, the time to do it. Because as you see, it's not a simple task. Got stuck by my magnetic for a minute, but this stuff was steel. Or this piece at least. But nope. you guys kind of get the basic idea of what goes in the stripping wire. Different ways, you know, like I can use a knife on it. I do have a stripping machine. I basically got this off of, I believe it was eBay, but you can easily get it off of eBay. You can easily get it off of Amazon. I do recommend, this is a very good stripper here. Had it for I think 3 years now, and it's still going strong for me. But that kind of gives you an idea of the breakdown. Again, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. Hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, and we'll keep this thing going. Again, we all know that one scrap guy, but that's not me. He's famous. I just get his scraps, and I appreciate his scraps. So, thank you, and we will see you on the next one.